Retatrutide. This is one of the biggest names in fat loss in 2026. In this video, we'll talk about what it is, how it works, and why so many people are talking about it, and what you should know before ever considering it.
Hey, I'm Nathan.
And I'm Sarah, and we're the Peptide couple.
We're here to talk about real health in the real world. Peptides, fitness, faith, and the habits that actually move your life forward.
Just honest conversations, practical information, and tools that can help you become stronger, healthier, and better than you were yesterday.
If you like this video, please like it. If you love it, subscribe, share, or leave a comment. Let's get into it.
You've probably heard somebody mention it online, or you've seen people talking about results, or you saw the name and thought, what in the world is Retatrutide? And that is a fair question because every few months there's a new word floating around the health world, and everybody acts like you should already know what it means. So today we're starting at the beginning.
We're going to keep it straight. No sales pitch, and we're not going to pretend that this one tool fixes every problem because it's just that. It's a tool. It's a powerful tool, and it can help whenever it comes to our metabolism, fat loss, overall health. Our goal is for this to be a starting point. If you've heard the name, you're kind of trying to figure out what is real about it.
Okay, so why is everyone hearing about Retatrutide right now?
Retatrutide is getting talked about because of the weight loss, and the weight loss world has changed a lot in the last few years. For a long time, most of the people were told, try harder, eat less, use more willpower. Some people that worked with, but a lot of people it did not.
And it's not because you're lazy or because these other people were lazy. They are people who have dieted for years, worked out for years, started over 20 times, and still felt stuck. So when something new shows promise, people notice, especially if you have been frustrated for a really long time.
What is Retatrutide?
Well, Retatrutide is a peptide, and it's being studied for weight loss and metabolic health. It's designed to work with systems in the body tied to your appetite, blood sugar, and energy use. That's the short version.
So let's think of it like this. Some people feel hungry all the time. Some people battle cravings constantly. Some people eat a normal meal and they still want food an hour later. This is what we call food noise. And these craving signals, they're off, and fat loss can seem impossible. But Retatrutide is being studied and researched because it helps improve these signals.
Which is why people are so interested in it. We are ready to stop fighting our body every day. I mean, can I get a witness? Okay, so how does it actually work though?
All right, Retatrutide works through multiple pathways within the body tied to hunger, metabolism, how we use energy. So yes, part of this can help lower the appetite, but it's not only about eating less. It also helps the body do a better job with the fuel we take in from the food, our calories, and it taps into this stored energy and our body fat. That's a big deal because many people feel like they're eating less, trying harder, and still not getting anywhere. Sometimes it feels like the body wants to store everything and burn nothing, and that sucks.
A lot of people think that the issue is always discipline. Sometimes the issue is that the body is just not responding. So when the systems tied to hunger and energy start working better, people often notice real changes. They'll notice things like less constant hunger, feeling satisfied sooner, less snacking, more steady energy, better consistency, less obsession around food. And let me say this clearly, when food noise quiets down, people often make better choices naturally. They're not spending all day wrestling their cravings, and they actually have room to focus on living their life.
Hey, that's what we're about. And when the body starts using energy better, many people notice that they have drive to do more training, stay active, make better choices, and this creates momentum. You feel better, so you do better. Then doing better helps you feel even better. It just compounds.
Okay, so those other skinny shots, tirzepatide, semaglutide, how is this different?
Retatrutide is in the same category as some of these other shots, but it does work differently and is being studied for broader effects that tie to appetite, blood sugar, energy use. That's why many are curious about where it fits into the future.
Yeah, I mean, basically, this is part of the next wave of metabolic health tools. That doesn't mean everybody needs it, but it means that the conversation is evolving. And honestly, it's about time because many people needed more help than just trying harder.
What should beginners expect?
Well, if someone ever uses a tool like this, they need to set realistic expectations. It's not fantasy. It's not overnight transformation. It's not take one shot and wake up shredded. That nonsense needs to go because a lot of people come in expecting fireworks by next Tuesday and then they quit when it looks more normal than dramatic.
Real progress usually looks much more steady than flashy. For many people, the first things they notice aren't even visual. It may look like thinking about food less, not needing to snack constantly or every 2 hours, and we feel full sooner during our meals. Smaller portions, they feel satisfying. Less late night grazing, more stable energy throughout the day, less feeling out of control around food. Sometimes the first win is peace around
Mm.
eating. That's bigger than people realize.
Yeah, amen to that. Some people are waiting to see the scale move while ignoring the fact that they didn't raid the pantry 3 nights in a row. And that matters more than they think because behaviors changing usually comes before body changes show up.
The scale does not control everything, and it is not the final say. From what we've seen, people need realistic expectations because they do get going and they think that it's going to be instantaneous. They're not ever going to be hungry, and the scale's going to go down immediately. The clothes are going to start falling off because they're too loose, and all this within the first week or two, or whatever. We have healthier expectations. We know that it is going to take time. So over the next several weeks, people begin to notice that clothes do feel better and there is less bloating. The waistline slowly changes, better consistency with workouts, more willingness to move, less all or nothing thinking, steady progress instead of starting over every Monday. That's real progress.
And let's talk about scale weight too. Some weeks may move nicely, and some weeks may barely move. And some weeks your body may be adjusting while inches are changing more than pounds. So people get discouraged because they expect a straight line. It usually doesn't work that way. And so we always recommend taking before and after pictures, taking your measurements because you can see better results that way.
Healthy progress often feels and looks more like stairs than a slide. A few drops, pause, another drop, a slower week, momentum gaining, and that's normal. It goes up and down sometimes.
Yeah, and if someone uses that season wisely, like learning to build better meals, building your strength, walking consistently, getting sleep in order, that's where life changing results can happen. Not because of one product, but because they used support to build a different lifestyle.
Most lasting progress is not dramatic day to day. It's small wins that stack up over time for months and months. That turns into real change.
And mentally, too. Some people expect this to fix everything: confidence, discipline, consistency, self control. And then they're surprised when certain habits are still there waiting on them because hunger is only part of the story. Sometimes the body is full, but the mind still wants the routine: the snack during stress, the drive through after a hard day, the sweets while watching TV, the reward meal every weekend. Those pathways get practiced and those patterns get familiar.
Sometimes people aren't even physically hungry, they're responding to boredom, stress, loneliness, just habit. And it's what they've always done. That's why someone can eat out of routine even when the appetite is lower. The body may be quieter, but the mind still needs retraining. And this process takes time.
And that's not failure. That is awareness. I mean, it means now you can actually see what was driving you before. And once you can see it, you can work on it.
This doesn't replace growth, it creates room for growth. And if someone uses that room wisely, real change can happen. And always do your homework. Know where something comes from. Know who you trust. Know what you're putting into your body because quality matters. Guidance matters. Random internet decisions have hurt plenty of people.
And just because something is popular doesn't mean it's right for you. Different bodies, different situations. You are responsible for your decisions, but you also have the ability to make wise ones.
Who may Retatrutide help?
Well, this peptide may be worth exploring for people who have genuinely tried. I mean, people who keep doing the work and still feel like their body is pushing back, people dealing with constant hunger, people struggling with weight that affects energy, confidence, and health.
But if someone is looking for an excuse to avoid discipline, no tool or peptide will solve that. You still need to take ownership. You still need healthy habits. We still need to be honest with ourselves.
And no shame either way. Some people need less support, some need more. We love to emphasize that each of us is on our own journey, and while we can use other people's experiences as guidance, ultimately we are all on our own personal journey, and that's why we love the research part of this. You have the power to make your own choices and to adjust as needed.
So yes, Retatrutide is becoming a major topic headed into 2026, and it's for a good reason. People are looking for real help.
But remember, the best tool in the world can't replace daily choices. And daily choices become a lot easier when the body is working with you instead of against you.
If you want to learn more about peptides, fat loss, health habits, and how to do this wisely,
And join our free school group. We talk about this stuff in a real way with real people trying to build better lives.
we'll see you in there.